I'm tracking some more messy weather this evening as our warm front starts to approach mid-Missouri. Some rainfall will be moving in tonight, followed by some cold air tomorrow, giving us a chance at seeing a wintry mix for parts of the area into tomorrow evening. Another storm system moves in late on New Year's Eve, lasts into New Year's Day, giving us a chance at seeing some wet or icy roads. We could have some impacts over the next couple of days as our first of two storm systems rolls through. Things are quiet for this evening, but by around 8 or 9 o'clock, so those showers will start to move in from the west and give us a good soaking going into tomorrow morning. As those showers continue through the morning commute, they could be more steady at times, making it tough to get around. Wet roads for sure for the morning, as temperatures are going to be in the upper 30s to around 40. Not too concerned about slick spots or any ice, but by the time we get to afternoon, especially by around 12 or 1 o'clock, we will start to see that colder air moving in from the north and interacting with some of that ongoing precipitation. We'll see some of that change over to snowfall for areas south of Highway 50. We could have a light dusting there, but the better chance of seeing impacts will stay south of I-44 going into Thursday morning. Now by Thursday, it's looking drier. Clouds stick around, but then by evening, our next system approaches from the south, giving us a chance at some rain early on. This is at 7 o'clock. And then by the time we get to about 8 or 9 o'clock, we'll start to see those temperatures cool down just a bit. We could see some freezing rain, especially for areas along and north of I-70 into Friday morning, creating a glaze of ice on the roads. Will continue to be chilly into Friday afternoon. There's a chance we could see a few snow flurries across northwest Missouri, but most of us will be drying out going into early Saturday. Here's a precipitation tracker for tomorrow afternoon. Areas along and south of Highway 50 could see a light dusting of snow. Farther south, a better chance of seeing a glaze of ice, causing some slick conditions south of I-44 going into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. For our next system, we could see a glaze to about 0.2 of an inch of ice, especially along and north of I-70. That system still a little bit unclear, but I'm a little more confident that we're going to see more ice than snow with this storm system. So it could be pretty impactful. It's something we'll be watching here over the next 12 to 24 hours. Again, that track is going to determine the precipitation type. So as this continues to move in our direction, if it slides a little bit farther south, there's a better chance we'll see more snow and ice versus rain. Over the weekend, things begin to quiet down. We're going to see a high near 35 with a chance of just a few snow showers on Saturday. And then for Sunday, we're going to see a high near 43. So we start to warm up as we approach the end of the weekend. And we get even further into next week, we start to warm up even more. We'll climb into the upper 40s to around 50 Monday and Tuesday.